Good morning. We're just going to see some beautiful fabrics this morning. We're going to start with this floral. I'm going to call it a tropical. It's just lovely. It's soft. The drape is incredible. It's tropical. It's 100% viscose. And what we're learning is these Italian viscose. These are all in from Italy. It's just gorgeous. The handle, the drape, everything about it is just really, really beautiful. Weave is just beautiful. And then we have this blue. And this blue is a knit. It has a slight stretch, not a lot of stretch, but a slight stretch in one direction. I'm going to hang that right there and just make sure the camera's still going. And it's kind of a dark ocean blue. It's so pretty. Just really pretty. It blends really pretty with these two blues. This is a crepe. It's a knit crepe. Again, it'd be a beautiful pair of yoga pants that would just, look like a really nice pair of pants, or the pull-on cargo would work well. The new Soft Stream Yoga, any of those would work really well. They're just really pretty, easy, beautiful. Also the palazzo, this has such great drape. That palazzo, that wider leg would be really pretty in this blue, and the red also. These are 100% viscose, but they have they're like 99. They have just a small amount of poly in them. And the content that was on it was listed as a poly, but not even a percent. It was that low. Anyway, beautiful piece. And you can see they blend so beautifully with these prints that I put around them. This is 100% viscose. Again, it's almost like a suede feel. So soft. The drape is incredible. So you can really see that drape and that print. Just really pretty. And then these I put to go with this, the red. The red is an orange red. But you can see all the colors in this. This is 100% viscose. Beautiful print. Just really abstract. It's very, it's sea. There's a sea fan and coral, but it's all done in pinks and reds. And so you can see as it blends in there, it's just really pretty. 100% viscose. Very pretty. This is the same as the blue, but in the red, and it's a red-orange. Great drape. Can't get the bottom of that out. Sorry about that. There we go. Beautiful fabric. Again, a lightweight jacket. Numerous different kinds of pants would be great for this. Really beautiful. This is a very small piece that we have, but it's a beautiful look. 100% viscose. Great fabric. Great hand. It's kind of like a really lightweight denim. It is 100% viscose. These are all viscose. The only thing is there's a small percent of poly in each of these, but it's just, you never know it's there. All right, so the goal is happy sewing from Silhouette Patterns.